Cold weather can destroy a regular faucet in minutes, but this anti-burst frost-free faucet is engineered to survive when everything else fails. Here's how to install it perfectly in just 8 simple steps. Step 1. Drill the opening. Use a 1-inch spade bit and drill at a slight downward angle toward the exterior of the hole. This angle ensures water drains out, not back inside the wall. Step 2. Insulate and seal the area. Fill the cavity behind the hole with spray foam insulation. Run a thin arc of caulking so any water running down your siding drains left or right, never toward the faucet entry. Step 3. Insert and align the faucet. Slide the faucet through the opening. Look under the stem for a black alignment dot. That dot must point straight down so the faucet sits perfectly level outside. Step 4. Choose the correct adapter. Water supply above? Use an elbow adapter. Water supply straight in? Use a straight adapter. Verify that the O-ring inside the adapter is properly seated to ensure a watertight seal. Step 5. Position and crimp the copper ring. Slide on your 1/2-inch copper crimp ring. Make sure the exposed pipe beneath the ring is between 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch, not more, not less. Open your crimper, center it perfectly over the ring, and squeeze firmly to lock the connection. Step 6. Confirm a perfect crimp. Use your go, no-go gauge. The go side should fit over the ring. No-go side should not fit. This confirms a safe and secure connection. Step 7. Connect the lower PEX line. Measure and make a straight cut on your PEX. Insert it fully into the lower fitting, add the copper ring, and crimp the connection just like before. Check with the gauge again to verify the seal. Step 8. Winter-proof the system. Before freezing weather hits, close the interior shutoff valve. Open the exterior faucet to drain the line. This prevents trapped water from freezing. And remember, always disconnect your hose before winter. Leaving a hose attached can disable the anti-burst safety system. Your anti-burst frost-free faucet is now fully installed and protected from harsh winter damage. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more clear step-by-step home improvement guides.